welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just planting up a few things and I wanted to share that with you. I have an aloe vera plant here. I got this at Home Depot. It was very reasonably priced. I got it for $4.98. So I'm gonna pot it up. It's a gift for someone. And then my little pet project, I'm going to be planting my avocado. I pre-soaked the seed a couple weeks ago and now I have roots. You can see. So I'm just going to plant that up. I don't know if I'll get a true avocado tree, but I will try. So here we go. Let's get started. Oh, before we get started, I will be using cactus mix potting soil. This one's by Miracle Grow. I think any one of them will do. The reason I'm using this, avocado and aloe vera, they both need well-draining soil. So that will be very helpful. And this type of potting mix is well-draining. Okay, so let's get started. So avocado is technically a succulent, so it's not a big fan of moisture. So that's why I'm using soil that will drain easily. And this pot I got it, I think, Lowe's. I got this one at Lowe's. It comes with its own little saucer and it has a drain hole. So if you notice, I'm not putting any hole in it. It's ceramic. It's beautiful because this is meant to stay inside. Okay. So I'm going to pop our avocado out. Ooh, look at the roots. It's well established, but it's root bound a bit. I'm just going to tease the roots a little bit. And then I'm going to fill the pot up. Around the root ball. I think I could add some more soil. Yeah, that's better. Use a bigger container. That's why I love my little pink table protector, so I could get the soil in there and not have to worry about, oh my gosh, I'm messing everywhere up, because we are inside. I have a little stem here that's broken. Oh, I'm going to leave it nestled in securely. Put a little bit more soil. want it to be toppling over. So inside the plant itself, I just want to get that out. I'm going to use my little brush. This is the brush I use when I plant my succulents, and because they're very delicate and they're small, so to get any little dirt that might be on there, and then I have a little blower, so blow it out. Okay, and now I'm gonna water it in, and this one is good to go. Like I mentioned, it doesn't need a lot of water, so I'm going to water it in now. And then probably won't get watered for a good while. That looks so pretty. All right, now let me do the avocado. This over to the side. Okay, so my plan is to pot the avocado seed up in this pot, which is smaller, and then I'm going to transplant it as it grows. Okay. I think it did a fairly good job. Look at those roots. And all I did was put a toothpick in, nestle that down, and then I'm just going to add soil on top. A little bit more soil. All right, I'm going to clean it up, and I think I need a little bit more soil, just a teensy bit. Okay, all right, I think that will do it. There we go. All right, I'm going to put the saucer on the bottom, water it in, and pray and hope. I got roots, so I'm assuming that I will get a tree. So, and since I'm in zone 6, so let's talk about the avocado tree here for a second. This is a patio plant, in my opinion, because I can't leave it outside. I'm in zone 6 here in Connecticut. So I'm going to treat this like almost like a house plant. So it's going to stay inside. In the summer when it gets warm, I'm going to bring it outside. It will be out there all summer, so it soaks up all that warm, hot sun. And then when the fall is approaching, I will bring it inside into my greenhouse. I'm in the process of building a greenhouse. This is going to be fun. And so we will see the progression of the avocado. And you know what avocado trees look like. They're huge. So by keeping it in a pot, it acts like a dwarf almost, and so it won't grow to its full potential. And so we may have some avocados, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a good experience for you. Please comment. Let me know if you are planting anything like this, even if you have tips, because I'm not an expert. But I would love to hear from you what you're growing in your garden and also what your experiences are, especially with this avocado. I've never grown an avocado from seed. So for me, this is new. For some of you, it may be as well. So I'm excited to hear. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day.